Oh, hi.
Hey, yeah, what's your
Welcome
face?
to my schoolhouse.
Baldi?
Are you okay?
He's high as fuck right now, boy.
Baldi?
Hey, Baldi, you good, bro? You good over there?
You good, Baldi? Dude.
His feet are pointing this way. This is a red flag if I ever saw one.
I got a coin. What do I do with the coin?
You use those to buy stuff out of the vending machines, and like, you know, the soda to blow the bullies away and shit like that.
Okay, I'm going out.
No running in the hall. Detention
even
for
running.
you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Mate, I'm here.
We gotta bust out of here.
We do. Okay, you ready?
I got 1 second. Let's go, let's go.
Go, go, go.
I can't move. Okay. Gotcha. Oh, we got a book in here.
Okay, cool.
What is this? You do this. I can't
Negative
do math.
95 minus, negative 30.
No running in the hall.
Negative 30.
Detention for you.
I'm in
Your
this
parents will hear about this one.
Oh God! I just want the book, bro. I just want the book, bro.
Did you get it? I don't see the book.
No, I don't
God.
see it
I'm in
either.
detention again.
Okay, I'm literally still in the same room. Okay, so he is like glitching out.
I don't even remember which room. I'm terrible at this.
Oh gosh. No, 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 no!
No running in the hall. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Hey, come here, Austin.
What's up? What's up? We're the bad kids.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's start doing those beats on this desk. Take my coin.
Give
Take
me
my
something
coin.
great.
Take my coin.
No running in the hall. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
Shit. Mate.
Where's fucking Baldi? It was nice knowing you. Hey, I see you.
Help me!
I can't. He's standing here
Oh, he's standing
with
right.
a little demonic child, and I can't get past. How do you pull out your coins?
No running in the hall.
I think
Alright,
Detention
never
for
mind.
you.
I just want to get to the.
I got a coin.
Let's dodge up in this shit.
Oh
No running in the
no!
hall. Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this
There was like
one.
45 motherfuckers in that closet.
It really. You know,
Where the fuck is Baldi?
I don't know. Now I'm like
He's done with our shit.
super scared to find out where he's at.
Yeah, we're gonna go around the corner one day. He's just gonna be like, fancy
Detention
seeing
for you.
here.
Your
Hi.
parents will hear about this
Back in
one.
detention, I see.
All right, let's go. Hey, yeah, where's that pencil so we can write some bullshit on this desk?
Hey. I can't even leave out of this spot.
Maybe if we duck, he won't see us. I got it. Let's go. Like army men.
No, he's like right. We're already in detention. You can't be.
He didn't see me! Freedom!
I'm coming.
Let's go this way.
Wait, don't leave me. Hi. He's above us.
He doesn't see us because he never looks down.
Yes, he always got his nose in the air.
Like a bitch.
Look at us, we're sneaking to the cafeteria.
No
Mate!
running in the hall.
You got a
Detention for
phone
you.
call.
Your parents will hear about this
That
one.
bully took my fucking coin and wouldn't let me pass. Oh, I know what we're supposed to do.
What?
There was a soda machine at the front door.
Oh, wow.
So where the fuck is Baldi?
Maybe he would.
I forgot to look everywhere playing for a minute.
Yeah. One that's so
Listen, we gotta look both ways before crossing the street.
It's coming. Oh, no!
Maybe he won't see us.
Maybe if I keep crawling, he'll
Hey,
just
I
leave me
don't think
alone.
he notices you. Soda please! Soda please! Ah! Why are you standing like... Bro, you're,
Oh, I got a soda. What is that supposed to do?
Where's my soda?
It was above and then it disappeared. Hold on, I get your note. It's right here.
Come on, let's go, let's go. do I even have it?
I don't know. It like I got one too, but it disappeared. Hold on.
That fucker is watching the fuck out of you. Oh yeah, I got it.
We all know why.
Yeah!
Mate, what happened?
That broom knocked me the fuck out and stole my soda.
What happened?
That broom.
Did I
It
get
hit
the soda?
Me so fucking hard.
I keep eating the sodas. Am I supposed to grab it? Oh my god.
Hold on, guys. We're having some technical difficulties. We'll be with you in just a minute. Damn, I stole that one. Alright, get this shit. We got like string hat hooked to this shit.
Oh, it's in my hand. Oh, it's gone. Wait, do I just eat them? I don't even have it in my hand.
How do we put that shit in our inventory? Let me try. No! I guess he noticed me when I was working too hard.
No running in the hall.
What's that jiggling
Detention
floor?
for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
I still got my coin though.
Hey, where's my soda?
It's okay. We'll get out of here. It's okay. It's okay.
Listen, it's not fucking okay.
Yeah, it's all okay. Oh! I'll take myself to the detention. Thank you very much. I know where the door is. You don't have to show me. I'm already there. Oh, I'm already in detention.
I'm gonna trick him. He'll never see it coming.
I'm in detention, so there's no point.
Listen, we're gonna get you out of here. We're going to bust you out of this.
Me? I thought I heard your voice.
I'm over here.
Where? Hey, I see you. Look. There's this weird-ass principal guy who's been following me around. Where you at?
I'm right here.
Okay, so this weirdest principal guy that's been following me around. He keeps throwing me in here, and every time he throws me in here, the time just keeps, like, restarting even longer.
Listen.
I gotta get out of here, please.
We'll get you out of here. You gotta hold still. Give me your coin.
Here, take it. The broom.
Got a sweet, sweet, sweet. Do I still have the coin? God damn it. No! Alright, I can explain. Good, sir. What the absolute... No!
Oh God.
Listen, bro, you gotta help me. Hey, what's this? I'm gonna fuck that little bitch up. You wanna play some jump rope? Motherfucker. Give me that shit back. Next time it'll... Oh, never mind, I can't do that because your hair is already fucked up.
Oh God. Oh.
Yeah, you know what? Next time I'll destroy your soul. So, anyway, I wonder where she went. I was supposed to be saving her from detention, and now I'm the one in here.
I hope she's okay. Hey, what's this?
She probably left me forever for some bully.
Actually, I don't know. Just click one.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...